I'm a mother, teacher, guide, and a friend, and these are my life lessons. I'm Dr. Neeti Kaushik, and welcome to my channel, Nitty Gritty with Dr. Neeti Kaushik.
Are you also one of that person who keeps thinking that the picture is not clear in front of me? What is going to happen from 2 days from now, or a month from now, or 2 years from now? We so all the time we are looking for answers. We are not even aware of what's happening, and because of so much of a non-clear vision, so there are a lot of question marks which happen, and we start thinking that मुझे कुछ भी क्लियर नज़र नहीं आ रहा, मुझे कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा, मेरे लिए लाइफ इज़ अ हेजी पिक्चर, आई एम नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड what lies ahead of me. So in this video, if that is so, I am going to give you 5 reasons. Because of those 5 reasons, you will understand, and you'll have to find out which of the reason is there which is bringing that non clarity in your life. You'll have to remove that reason, right? बिकॉज जड़ से ख़त्म तो तभी कर पाएंगे जब उस रीज़न को हटा पाएंगे. तो सबसे पहली रीज़न इज़ वी आर होल्डिंग ऑन टू द पास्ट. Whenever we are holding on to the past, we cannot see what is life ahead. We just cannot see anything clearly because हम अभी भी उसी में हैं. अक्सर मैंने देखा है पेरेंट्स को, बड़ों को सब बोलते हुए, जब हम ऐसे करते थे तो ऐसा होता था, जब हम वहाँ थे तो ये करते थे, आज जब हम छोटे थे तो हम ये करते थे. दैट मीन्स वी आर स्टिल स्टिकिंग ऑन टू दैट. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, थिंग्स हैव चेंज्ड, लाइफ हैज चेंज्ड, things for us has changed. Even for now, if we are clinging to the past, which is about a year, what happened a year ago, or what happened 6 months ago, or what happened about a month ago, or even what happened yesterday, don't cling to that. That is gone. Can you do any changes? Can you bring any changes in the past? कुछ कर तो सकते नहीं हो past का. We can only learn lessons from the past, and we can use those lessons to make our tomorrow better or make our today better, right? तो पास्ट से प्लीज डोंट ब्रूड ओवर दैट, जस्ट लीव इट देयर वेयर एवर इट वॉज, लर्न अ लेसन एंड मूव अहेड. अनलेस एंड अंटिल यू लीव द पास्ट, आपकी पिक्चर आगे क्लियर होगी ही नहीं. सेकेंड इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज द रीजन फॉर दैट इज दैट देयर वी आर वेरी वेरी अनसर्टेन अबाउट व्हाट्स हैपनिंग. ओके, कोई बीमार हुआ फैमिली में या कहीं और, and we start getting goosebumps as to ओहो उसके साथ ऐसा हो गया, पता नहीं यहाँ पे भी ना हो जाए, कहीं इस तरह से ना हो जाए, वैसा ना हो जाए. And we start thinking so much about it that we are so uncertain that unless and until Baba we will not clear the pain, the window pane. आप जाले लगे होंगे, गंदा पड़ा होगा विंडो पेन, और आप सोच रहे होंगे कि सामने वाली की जो बैल्कनी है वो गंदी है. नो, it's your window pane which you have to clean. So you have to be coming out of this uncertainty, because unless and until you come out of this uncertainty, it's going to trouble you. It's always going to be troubling you. Third important aspect is when we are desperately holding on to our plan. मेरा तो यही प्लान है, मैंने तो ऐसे ही करना है. आई कोट यू एन एग्जाम्पल, लाइक some people are very finicky about the way they cook their respective food or the dish. So they will say that, those ladies or those mothers or those girls will say that my malai kofta to has to be like this only. I'm not ready to experience, I'm not ready to experiment, I'm not ready even to change my recipe. मतलब जैसे है, मेरी अगर ये किताब इस कॉर्नर में है तो इसी कॉर्नर में रहेगी, मेरा जूता उस जगह है तो वहीं रहेगा. मतलब हो सकता है आप रूम की सेटिंग चेंज कर रहे हो या आप कुछ और चेंज कर रहे हो, तो प्रोबेबली थिंग्स कैन बी बेटर. वाई आर यू होल्डिंग ऑन ओनली टू योर प्लान? इट इज़ गुड टू होल्ड ऑन टू योर प्लान, बट समटाइम्स give another person also advantage as to make a couple of changes. So think, are you holding too much on your plan which you wanted to see? Right? If that is so, then again there is a big question mark, so you need to look into this. The fourth important thing is that I am projecting my own insecurity into the others. Now how does it happen? As elders, we try, if we are insecure about something, right? Suppose I am very insecure in coming in front of the audience and speaking in front of the audience. Now if that is so, the moment my child wants to come on the stage, I am insecure, so I'll ask him, अच्छा बेटा तुम ठीक से बोल लोगे ना, अच्छा तुम वहाँ स्टेज पे सबका सामना कर लोगे ना, देखो घबराना मत, देखो कुछ होगा नहीं. what am I doing? Unnecessarily adding on to my own insecurity into my child. Why I'm doing so? Similarly, at times I try and put those insecurities into others. It can be a friend, it can be a family member, it can be your parent, it can be your spouse, it could be anybody. सो आपकी इनसिक्योरिटी आपकी है, उसको दूसरों के ऊपर मत डालो, बिकॉज आप डालोगे तो आप परेशान होगे. क्यों? क्योंकि वो आपकी इनसिक्योरिटी को अपने अंदर लेंगे. एंड इवन इफ द पर्सन इज quite confident with something, the person will still start asking questions as to, am I fine, am I okay, am I fine? So this is what is the fourth point. Now coming on to the fifth point, which is again very very important point, that is constant need for validation. Have you seen half the time half of us look for validation from outside? If we dress up well, we ask for validation, if not directly, indirectly, because we'll think, okay, how many compliments do I get? Did I get a compliment on how I am looking? That means I'm getting the validation from outside. If I am writing something as an exam paper, so I am again asking for a validation as whether I have written it correctly or not. If I am trying to create a project and going to present my project, again I am on to the validation because I really do not know what's happening. So again I would want that validation. So whenever we do not get the validation from here and we look for validation elsewhere, that's the problem. We can never see a picture clear in front of eyes, because किसी और के रास्ते जब कोई चीज़ मिलती है तो वो उसमें हर कोई अपना तड़का अलग से लगा देता है, चाहे वो मिर्च मसाले का तड़का हो, नमक का तड़का हो, या एनी तड़का, राइट? सो ट्राई एंड डोंट सीक वैलिडेशन फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. योर वैलिडेशन हैज़ टू बी फ्रॉम विद इन यू. So these were 5 important things which I wanted to tell you and explain it to you. Whenever the picture is not clear, look back and think, मैं कहाँ पे मुझे कौन सी चीज़ परेशान कर रही है जिसकी वजह से मुझे एक पिक्चर क्लियर नज़र नहीं आ रही है. You are the writer of your own future. You are the writer of your own present. Don't look for answers outside you, because all the answers are within you and universe always guides you with them. So have a clear communication from there to here and move forward in life, because those who have direct communication are the ones who really do very well. जो दूसरों की बातों को सुन के अपनी चेंजेस लाते हैं, ये सोच के कि उसने कहा कि मैं अच्छा हूँ या बुरा हूँ, और मुझे खुद से पता है मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ या अच्छी हूँ. सो ब्रिंग दोज चेंजेस एज पर व्हाट योर हार्ट डिजायर्स. सो ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. आई होप दिस वीडियो इज quite beneficial to all of us, to each one of us. At times I also seek for validation, which I have to keep reminding myself over and over again, sorry, you are your own validating factor. Thank you so much. God bless you. Stay blessed, and thank you so much for getting connected with Nitty Gritty with Dr. Neeti Kaushik. And subscribe करने के लिए बहुत thank you. Sorry, I always forget speaking in the beginning, but my heartfelt gratitude goes to each one of you. Thank you. God bless. Stay abundant.